If you want to change the language in Gimp on Windows or Linux, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to switch Gimp to your preferred language in just a few clicks. This is really helpful if you installed Gimp and it opened in a language you don't use, or if you simply want the interface to feel more comfortable while editing. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Gimp on your computer. Once Gimp is fully loaded, look at the top menu bar and click Edit. This opens the main settings menu for the program. From the drop-down list, go all the way to the bottom and select Preferences. This will open the Preferences window where you can customize different parts of Gimp. On the left side of the Preferences window, you'll see a sidebar with multiple categories. Click Interface. This section controls how Gimp looks and feels, including the language setting. Now look for the User Interface section. Under that area, you'll find a language drop-down menu. Click the drop-down and choose your preferred language from the list. Gimp supports multiple languages, so scroll through until you find the one you want. Once you've selected it, click OK to save the change. At this point, the language setting is updated, but it usually won't fully apply until you restart the app. So close Gimp completely and then open it again. When Gimp restarts, the new language should now be applied across the interface. And that's it! You've successfully changed the Gimp language on Windows or Linux. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.